Hello everyone, I'm Rahul. You're watching You and Me Learnly. So today our topic is logic. So let's get into the video. Let's get started. So logic is the foundation of all philosophical thinking, and logic is the fundamental of philosophy. So as we know, philosophy have three branches, that is epistemology, axiology, and metaphysics, and logic comes under the epistemology part. So logic is derived from the Greek word logos, means word, speech, reason, or thought, as I have written here. So there are famous definitions given by famous philosophers like James Edwin Creighton and Henry Eldridge, Richard Watley. So according to James Edwin Creighton, he says that logic is a science that deals with the operations of mind and its search for truth. According to Henry Eldridge, logic is the art of reasoning. And according to Richard Watley, logic is the art and science of reasoning. So we have seen the definitions of these famous philosophers given on the topic logic. So then comes the three parts of mental activities that we inherit. So mental activities, that means three parts. There are thinking, feeling, willing. So thinking, feeling, willing, we all have these three parts in our minds according to the logic. So thinking is the part that logic is concerned about. So thinking is the part, logic is concerned about the thinking part of our mind. Okay, so now further with thinking part, there are three categories of thinking. So what are the three categories? Point wise we will discuss: conception, judgment, and reasoning. So conception, we will be understanding it with an example. Suppose I give you an image of a, horse with wings, and you can say unicorn, you can say that is an imaginary, right? And another picture I will give you of any, you can choose like Taj Mahal or Niagara Fall waterfall. You can choose of your own, but in this case conception, you will be able to understand that while looking at the Taj Mahal, that is a real, right? That is real and factful. So Taj Mahal is real, and in reality is it exists. And but the another picture, that is the imaginary one, unicorn with wings, this doesn't exist, and it is imaginary, right? And the main important thing about conception is when it is expressed in words, it is known as term, right? So here I have mentioned, so you can note down, or you can take the screenshot. You can pause the video and you can take the screenshot, right? Then comes to the judgment. We all know we pass judgment in any case. You have some examples of your own, or you can share your experience on the comment section. Judgment, we all know about this is a common word, judgment. So when judgment is expressed in words, it is known as proposition. So it is very important, you just note it down. You just need to go through this just simply, and don't just read it. Then comes the point reasoning. So reasoning, as you all know that sometimes in our competitive exams also we get some reasoning questions regarding any mathematics, regarding any subject, sociology, or you can say geography. We get some reasoning questions, like reasoning type questions. So reasoning is another factor. Rational thinking, you can say reasoning is possible through rational thinking. So when expressed in words, known as argument. When reasoning is expressed in words, that is known as argument. So these three definitions, you just note it down. And about logic, these are the important things that you have to know about logic. And what are the definitions? I have not written here, but I have given the names of the philosophers, those who have given the writings about logic. I can give in the comment section as well, and I will mention it in the description. So this was our today's video. Hope you guys have learned something from this. If you like my video, then do share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further updates, and stay with my channel. Thank you.